Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off autofill password in DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to turn off autofill password in this application is important for users who prioritize security and privacy. And disabling this feature prevents the browser from automatically filling in passwords for you, reducing the risk of unauthorized access to your account if someone gains access to your device. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open DuckDuckGo browser application. Okay, and now go to the three dots and select settings option. Well, so in this page, you can choose password. After that, you can turn this toggle off. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off autofill password in DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.